Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 50,000 milliamp charger block, and it is all taped up. Let me open this up. Sorry, doggy. So I'm going to show you guys what this is here. So let's see what we got. I'll explain it to you. So this is it. It's a bit heavy because it's got a lot of battery going on, but I'll show you all what you get with it. So this is it here. It looks like it's at 64% currently. I guess I pushed the button. Oh, can you see? Yeah, 64% charge. It's got a little rubber hanging clip here. It's got USB, let me see. It says USB 1 out, USB 3 out, USB 2 out, USB 4 out. So it has like 4 different ones here. It's got a micro USB in and a Type-C in. So that's all these different little ports right there. So that's all stuff you can use. But then look at the back. Look what it's got. It's got a charger here. So this is going to be the USB. I'm going to guess this is going to be so I can charge it, so I can plug this into a USB block. It looks funny because it doesn't have all the casing on it, but it would plug into one of these like that, and then you plug it into the wall. So that's how you can get it charged. And then it's got a, what's this one here? Here's USB, micro USB, so I can plug this into a micro USB thing. So like, I think like my Fire Stick or something like that, if I wanted to just keep that running off of batteries, this will probably run it for a month. And then we have USB-C, so I can charge my iPad or my computer. And then I have a Lightning to charge my, my iPhone. So look at that. So it has all these different pieces and parts in here. Actually, I'll plug one of these in and give it a try and see what it does on my iPad here. See how it charges. I happen to have my iPad sitting right here. So I plug it in, and it says it's at 64%. And oh, it does say it's charging. I don't know if you can see up in the corner. It said it was charging. Here, if I open it up real quick. How can I hold this? It's very hard to hold. But you can see it's up in the corner. It says 100%, and it's charging. So it's already at 100%. So that's that. But this will probably charge my iPad up 3 or 4 times. It's 50,000 milliamps. So this is great. So this is a nice one to take. This is good to have like for if you're traveling or something like that. If I was going camping, this would be great, man. This would keep everything going for forever. So totally awesome. And I'm going to actually be using it when I do reviews and stuff. So I can just, whenever I review something that takes USB, I can just have it right here and plug it in and use this one here, and it'll never run out on me. So super cool device. And here's the instructions for it. I don't know if there's anything I'm missing, but let me see if there's anything here. Pretty much it's just what I had explained. It says cannot be brought on the plane. So I'm guessing it might be too big to carry on a plane. I don't know. I've brought these on the plane before, but maybe you just can't pack it through. You probably have to carry it on. So cool. I like it. And it says power off when it's fully charged. Don't expose to liquids. Don't disassemble. But you get the idea. These are great. And it's got the little display on it. So when you push the little button on the side, it turns it on, and so you can see the display. So very cool. Nice. Thumbs up.